Alright, so welcome back to the class. Yesterday we talked about Photoshop tools and we explained a lot. 2 days ago we explained 3 major tools you have to use. We explained the 3 major tools you have to use as a graphic designer. 3 major tools. So today we are dealing with removing background, and I don't want you to miss anything out. It's very complex though, but I just want you to flow with me. Please flow with me and be able to understand. At the end of this section, you will be able to remove any kind of background from any kind of image, and you'll be able to be proficient in using many tools, many different tools in removing background. So now we have many tools in removing background. We have many tools in removing background, but according to what you are seeing here, I have many images here with different kind of background, and I want to remove their background with different kind of tool. So now for this tool, some of you will be thinking, let me just click magic wand tool and use the magic wand tool. Now if you test magic wand tool on this image, you notice it picked all the clothes. So magic wand tool is not going to be the best tool for this image. And somebody will say, let me use object selection tool. Now let's use object selection tool. If you use object selection tool for this image, you will notice that it picks the image, but it still leaves the clothes, leaves the table. So the best tool that we are going to be using to remove this image is remove background under your property. Remove background under your what? Property. When you click on the remove background under your property, you see by default it removes the background of the image. So the image background has been removed. So that is the first way to remove background on Photoshop. And so that is the first way to remove background on Photoshop. So the second way, if you have this image now, you have always seen some image on flyers that you will see that they remove only this woman with the table and other things is excluded. How did they do it? Okay, this is how we do it. The tool they use for this image, removing this image alone from other images. Remember yesterday I talked about object selection tool as a tool that removes a certain image or a certain set of objects from different type of object. So now let's start with that. We click on the object selection tool, we draw the selection tool around the image we want to choose. So we drag this around the image, boom, it picked it, but it did not pick it perfectly. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to redraw it again around the image. Okay, it has picked this. Then we draw the image around this image, and this place is not perfect yet. We still draw it again. Bam, it takes the image. Which one is not perfect again? We zoom in. If you want to zoom in, you hold your Alt and you scroll on your mouse pad. So, or you click on Z to zoom. So we are removing any part that is not from the image. So let's click on minus. And when you click on minus, it's remove. We hide this part back. You hide this part back. So if it's not hidden, you click on your Lasso tool, and you change it to addition, and you draw it around where you want it. Make sure your hand is straight. So now I'm drawing it around where I want it to be. So after doing all this, now we still have this here. So after doing all this place too, we have to remove it. We click on the subtract and we drag it and remove it. So now we have the perfect image, but the image phone has been removed. So we go back to our object selection tool, we drag around the phone, boom, it selected the phone. So after that, you can just do that. So after that, you see we have our image already old. So this place too, we have to take it in. So after that, you can just click on Ctrl J, that is duplicate. Ctrl J, When you click on Ctrl J, click on the previous one and delete. You see we have the image already removed, so we can use it now in any of our flyer design. So you can hide this and write hello Monday here, something like that. So that is how to remove another complex background. So the third one here is very simple. You can remove this one very simple, in a simple way. Why is it simple? Because I told you yesterday that if you are using Magic Wand tool, Magic Wand tool can take a color at a time, and we have the background color white. It's not confusing. Just click on it and delete. When you click on it and delete, so it's deleted already. So you see it has no background again, no background, very smooth. This one is very simple. That is the advantage of just having one color in background. Now you see this man, this man, what you can use to remove the background, you can use another method. I want to show you last method. There are still many methods, but this is the last method I'm going to be showing you. The last method you can use again to remove background is, this one we use remove background from the property. This one we use the mixture of Lasso 2 plus object selection 2. That is what we use. This one we use Magic Wand to direct. Now this one we are going to be using select subject. So we go to select here and we click on select subject. Where is it? Subject. When you click on subject, it selects the subject. You see it has selected the subject. Just click on Ctrl J to duplicate the subject and delete the background. So we have the image background removed. And if you don't want to delete the background, maybe you want to use the background later, you can go to your layers and click on mask. It's going to mask the background. You see it has masked the background for you. That is the 4 ways I'm going to show you on how to remove background today. So this is my assignment today. Take any 4 images and use these 4 tools to remove the 4 background and submit in the assignment group on WhatsApp. If you are not on our WhatsApp channel, on our WhatsApp group, you can click on the WhatsApp link inside the description. It's going to take you to the WhatsApp group. And if you are watching from anywhere, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. We are still having another class tomorrow, so we are going to be seeing in the next class tomorrow. And tomorrow is going to be a very beautiful one because we are going to be doing about photo editing. We are going to be doing photo editing and photo enhancement. Don't miss out tomorrow. Have a wonderful time. See you in the next one.